The amazing world of combined materials. Lily loved visiting Grandpa Leo's workshop. It was always full of interesting bits and bobs, and the smell of sawdust and creativity. "Grandpa," Lily asked, holding up a wooden block and a metal screw, "why do we use different things to build stuff?" Grandpa Leo smiled. "That is a great question, Lily. It is all about something called combined materials. Imagine building a house," Grandpa began. "Would you make the walls out of glass?" Lily giggled. "No. It would break easily, and everyone could see inside." "Exactly," said Grandpa. "For walls, we use bricks or wood, which are strong and private. But for windows we use glass," Lily added, "so we can see outside and let light in." "You have got it," Grandpa praised. "Glass is clear, but it is also brittle. Bricks are strong, but not clear. We combine them for the best house." He picked up a bicycle. "Look at this bike. What parts are strong and do not bend?" "The frame," Lily pointed, "and the handlebars. They feel like metal." "Right. Metal, like steel, is very strong and stiff, perfect for the frame." "What about the tires?" "They are rubber." Lily bounced a finger on a tire. "They are soft and bouncy." "That is because rubber is flexible and helps us grit the road, making the ride smooth and safe," Grandpa explained. "So, a bicycle is made of strong metal for the frame and flexible rubber for the tires," Lily exclaimed, understanding. "Precisely. Each material has its own special properties. When we combine them, we get something even better, like a strong, safe, and comfortable bike." Grandpa showed her a pair of rain boots. "These are made of rubber to keep your feet dry, but inside they have a soft fabric lining. The fabric makes them comfy," Lily said. "Otherwise, they would be sticky and cold." "You have discovered the secret of combined materials, Lily. Engineers and designers choose materials carefully, make things work perfectly and safely for us." Lily nodded, looking at the workshop with new eyes, seeing combinations everywhere. It was truly an amazing world.